Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today, I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. My dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 7 of half yearly 2021, and today is our today's topics is exercise 4.1 to BD and 3A and A's. My dear student, the name of this chapter is algebraic formula and application. Okay, my dear student, from your book I have written two questions, question number 2 and 3. Question number 2, simplify B and D, and question number 3, find the product by applying formula. So my dear student, let us start. At first we shall solve question number 2. So pick up in question number 2. So 2b, here twice a plus 3b whole square minus 2 into twice a plus 3b into 3b minus a plus 3b minus a whole square. So my dear student, please notice we have already learned a formula. Which one is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay. So please notice this is a and this is b. Notice a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from this we can write twice a plus 3b whole square minus 2 into a. A means twice a plus 3b and b means 3b minus a plus 3b minus a whole square. Okay. So now from this we can easily write twice a plus 3b minus 3b minus a whole square. Why? Because we know that this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now we write the expression without first bracket. Twice a plus 3b, this minus is multiplied with this plus and this minus plus minus 3b plus a. So my dear student, notice here plus 3b minus 3b both are cut, and left twice a plus a, that means 3a whole square. Now we square 3. If we square 3 means 3 multiplied with 3, that means 3 3s are 9. Now we multiply a with a and we get a square, and it is the answer of this question. This is one method. We can solve this math by another method. Now we solve this math by that method. Okay, let twice a plus 3b equal to x and 3b minus a equal to y. Okay, now we do subtraction, minus plus and minus. Plus 3b minus 3b, that means both are cut, and twice a plus a, that means it is 3a equal to x minus y. So my dear student, this is x minus y equal to 3a. So now what will be the expression? Because we consider twice a plus 3b equal to x and 3b minus a equal to y. That means instead of twice a plus 3b, we write here x square minus 2 into x and 3b minus a equal to y plus y square, and it is the formula of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So from this we can easily write x minus y whole square. Dear student, notice we have already find the value of x minus y, which is 3a. Now we put the value of x minus a whole square. Here you write putting the value of x minus y. Now we do a square. 3 square, that means 3 3s are 9, a square, that means a square, and it is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. This one is done. Next we shall solve question number D again. My dear students, here two methods. Which one is easier to you can use that method. Okay, so next one, question number D. Question number D is 8x plus y whole square minus 16x plus twice y and 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. Dear student, notice here 8x plus y whole square minus 16x plus twice y plus 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. But you notice there is no formulas to here. But you notice here 16x and plus 2y. So from this we can notice that 2 is common from both expression. So at first we take common. If we take 2 common, then it is 8x plus y and it is 5x plus y and now 5x plus y whole square. So my dear student, notice here is 8x plus y. So consider now from this line, at first we do this by easy method. Notice a square, that means 8x plus y whole square minus 2 into 8x plus y into 5x plus y plus 5x plus y whole square. Okay. So next, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as 8x plus y whole square minus 5x plus y whole square. So this is not square, okay. A minus b whole square. Now notice we write the number without first bracket, 8x plus y minus, now we multiply this plus and this plus by minus and it will be minus 5x minus y. So notice y cut and 8x minus 5x left. So if we subtract 5x from 8x, then we get 3x whole square. Then 3 3s are 9x square. So this is the answer of this question. You can apply here that method. That means at first you do this line. Okay, from this line you do this line. After that you write let 8x plus y equal to a and 5x plus y equal to b. Then it is minus sign. For this reason at first you do subtraction. And when you do subtraction, then you get the value of a minus b. So now you write the expression a square minus twice ab plus b square. Then from that line you write a minus b whole square, and we have already find the value of a minus b. Then putting the value of a minus b, you get this answer 9x square. Okay. So my dear student, you can practice that on by letting method. So question number 2 is done. Next we shall solve question number 3. It is so easy math. It is so easy math. Notice, find the product by applying formula. My dear student, in our first lecture we have already learned this formula. A square minus b square equal to what? It is a plus b into a minus b. I repeat, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. If we write a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, then what can we write? If a plus b and a minus b is given, we can write a square minus b square. I hope you have understood. That means 2 multiply 3 equal to 3 multiply 2. Both are same because it is 6 and it is also 6. Okay. So now 3 a number. So here x plus 7 into x minus 7. So dear student, notice a plus b into a minus b. Consider x is a and y is b. So x square minus 7 square. So x square means x square, 7 square means we multiply 7 by 7 and we get 49, and this is the answer. I hope you have understood. Okay. Next question number is, question number 8 is a square plus b square, a square minus b square, and a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Okay. So notice, we consider a square means a and b square means b. So a plus b into a minus b. So from that expression we can write a square whole square minus b square whole square. So first one is done, then this one left, and we write this at last. Okay, so now notice a square whole square minus b square whole square. So a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, and here a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. Notice a plus b into a minus b. So same formula is applicable here. Plus first of all we write this by this way. Okay, now a to the power 4 square minus b to the power 4 square. Then we get a to the power 8 and b to the power 8. Okay, this is the answer of this question. Dear students, we apply here a square minus b square to a. So, okay, first of all we apply a square minus b square formula in this section. Again we apply a square minus b square formula in this section. Okay, I hope you have understood. Both are the answer of this question. This is the answer of this question. My dear student, a lot of math in question number 2 and question number 3, but this is not SW, but you need to practice at home for your better understand. So you must practice A, C and E, and also 3 number lot of question you must practice all that question. If you have any problem, please make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear student, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.